In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can fully set up your custom domain on Shopify. So the first thing that we need to do once we have created our Shopify store is head over to the left-hand side, click on Online Store. And then what you'll need to do now is you need to head over to the top right-hand corner, click on the three dots, and then select Manage App. Now, once we click on Manage App, you want to go to this list, scroll down, click on Domains. And then once we select domains, you now need to click on Connect Existing or Buy New Domain directly on Shopify. Click on Connect Existing. You now need to enter in your custom domain into this box right here and then click on Next to add it. As you can see, I've already added my custom domain. So what I'm going to do is click on this. It still needs setup, so I'm going to show you how you can fully set that up right now. As you can see, the host of my custom domain is Namecheap. This works on any of the host websites where you can get a domain from. So what I need to do first of all is I now need to go over to Namecheap. I then want to click on Account, select Dashboard. And then once you are on here, you now need to go to the custom domain that you want to add to your Shopify store. For me, I want to add this one, so I will click on Manage. And then from here, you now want to go over and then click on Advanced DNS. Once we click on Advanced DNS, what you will now see is that there is no records found. What we now need to do is click on Add a New Record. That will then open this up and the first record will be an A record. So once you click on this in the host, you want to put an @ and then you want to go back over now to Shopify and then you want to click on the A record and then copy this. Once we copy this, head back over to your host and then you want to paste this into the IP address. And then you now want to click on the tick icon to save changes. And then once we save changes, you now want to select Add a New Record for a second time. Scroll down until you see the option for CNAME record. And then you now want to put into the host www. Once you do this, head back over to Shopify and then you want to copy the CNAME record right here by clicking on this and then head back over to your host and then paste this into the target. Once you have done this, you will then be able to click on the tick icon to save changes. And then now you are all done on your host website. You can head back over to Shopify. And then right here, you can now click on I updated DNS records. Once you have done this, that will then fully add your custom domain to your Shopify store and it will be fully set up and ready to go. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add your custom domain to your Shopify store.